Hi everybody, it's Moses the Locksmith. I show you guys how to program a remote control for Nissan. This one is a Nissan Sentra 2006, but I was not able to program the remote control for 2006. I don't know why. I built the one with the Keytool Max. I built the 2000 till 2004 and able to program it. Okay, right now it's not programmed yet. So let me show you. So you put the key inside the ignition 6 times until it blinks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It blinks. You put it on accessory. And now it blinks. So this one is programmed. This one is the old one. Okay, turn it off, open, close, lock, unlock. I will try again to program this one and let's see if they work. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put it an accessory. Now working. Okay. And I built the one for 2004. Let me show you guys You can see over here the car is 2006. But the remote is using from 2004. Hopefully that helps you. If you like this video, please leave me a like and see you guys next time. Bye for now.